Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Wix website. First, you'll want to choose a template that best fits your vision. Wix offers hundreds of professionally designed options, so take your time to find the perfect starting point. Once selected, begin customizing the design elements like colors, fonts, and overall layout to reflect your unique brand identity. Don't forget to set up your core pages, such as Home and About Us, right from the start. Now, let's focus on populating your site with compelling content. Upload high-quality images and videos to make your pages visually appealing and informative. Wix makes it easy to drag and drop elements exactly where you want them. Explore the Wix app market to add advanced features like booking systems, online stores, or live chat. Remember to check your site's mobile view to guarantee a seamless experience for all visitors, regardless of their device. Before launching, it's crucial to optimize your site for search engines. Use Wix's built-in SEO tools to add meta descriptions and keywords, helping people find you online. Next, connect your custom domain name. This makes your website look professional and trustworthy. Finally, take a moment to meticulously review every page, checking for typos, broken links, and ensuring everything functions perfectly before you hit that publish button. Launching your site is just the beginning. Ongoing maintenance is key to its success. Regularly update your content, whether it's new blog posts, product updates, or fresh images, to keep your audience coming back. Utilize Wix Analytics to track visitor behavior and understand what's working well. And speaking of enhancing your space, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep your site vibrant and responsive to user needs for continued growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.